Arun, what's this? What to do? You're calling me so frequently. I'm tired of traveling. So come with my luggage to stay permanently. And also, a new recipe for you. Oh wow, this sounds tempting, appealing, tasty, and of course healthy. Very simple also. One batter, 4 recipes. If this video gets 50 likes, I will release a video on it. Thanks. Let's make this.
Take 2 cups of little millets and 1 cup of urad dal. Wash well and soak for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Once soaked, separately grind urad dal and little millet to a smooth consistency and mix them thoroughly. Now ferment overnight. You can ferment even more for this recipe for better taste. Now add required salt and water and mix to proper consistency. Check out the consistency like this. Take few ladles of batter separately for this recipe and add desired veggies such as onions and carrots. Add curry leaves, green chilies, salt, cumin, red chilies. All of these are as per desired quantities. Mix them well. Heat a Appe pan and add few drops of oil in all the holes, or you can grease the holes. Once oil is heated, fill it with the batter and cover it with lid on a medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn them and keep it for another 2 minutes. These little crispy pops are all set to feast.
Thank you all for watching and being a part of this millet series. We'll be back with more millet recipes in season 2.